How big is this portion of land? Well, this is exactly about 2 acres. But he does not harvest the whole 2 acres all at once. Previously, I could harvest this whole garden all at once and finish it. Pepper had not yet overly produced, but now I can no longer do that because it's very fertile and it has produced a lot of branches and a lot of fruits. So I can no longer harvest the whole garden all at once in one day. So also this garden, I only spray the leaves. I use fertilizers only for the leaves. This can save a farmer so that you do not have to spend a lot of money to buy fertilizers for the fruits too. If you want to harvest for a long time, use the fertilizers for the leaves way more than you do. Fertilizers for the roots will cause the plant to overly produce all at once, and it will stop producing fruits for you very quickly. But when you use fertilizers for the leaves, you're able to have fruits produced from your plant for over a long period of time, which in the end will produce more fruits for you. Does that mean when a crop produces so many flowers just like this one, does that indicate that it's going to produce so many fruits? Yes.